In today's video, I'm going to teach you how Monarch Money can effectively track your subscription expenses. Managing subscriptions has become an essential part of budgeting, and Monarch Money provides a streamlined way to keep tabs on these recurring transactions. Let's explore each feature that Monarch Money offers to ensure you're not missing out on any details. First, to get started, Monarch Money's interface includes a dedicated section for tracking subscriptions. Here, you can dive into how this tool operates by clicking on the option labeled How Monarch Money Tracks Subscriptions. This will set the stage for understanding the various functionalities available at your fingertips, designed to help you stay on top of your financial commitments. Next up, Monarch Money employs an automated detection system. By clicking on Automatic Detection, you'll see how Monarch scans through your connected accounts to spot recurring transactions such as subscriptions and bills. This feature minimizes manual input, ensuring that all visible, regular payments are identified without missing a beat. Remember, keeping your accounts updated in Monarch is crucial for accurate detection. Once the automated detection feature has pulled in your transactions, the recurring calendar offers a visual representation of upcoming and past expenses. Click on this option to see your expenses laid out in either a calendar or list format. This visual tool is indispensable for spotting patterns in your spending, enabling you to prepare for future financial obligations with greater confidence. To help manage these recurring expenses, Monarch Money sends out timely reminders. By checking out the notifications section, you'll learn that Monarch alerts you 3 days before a transaction occurs. These reminders can be a lifesaver to avoid any surprise deductions from your account, allowing you ample time to ensure sufficient funds or adjust your budget as needed. Despite the automatic features, not all subscriptions might be detected by Monarch. For such instances, the manual entry feature comes into play. By clicking on this, you can add any subscriptions manually if they weren't automatically detected. This ensures that all your recurring expenses are accounted for, making your budgeting efforts more comprehensive and personalized. However, like any tool, Monarch has its limitations. By selecting Limitations, you can explore any potential shortcomings of the system, which is essential for managing expectations and rounding out your financial tracking approach. Finally, when integrating these recurring expenses into your broader budget, you might find discrepancies until the transaction actually occurs. Under budget integration, users can discover more about this issue and possibly adjust their expectations or check their entries to mitigate any surprises when reviewing their finances. By carefully leveraging these features within Monarch Money, you can maintain a more organized, proactive approach to managing subscription expenses. Each of these steps ensures you have a full grasp